Alright, just wanted to make an introduction to my Honda Accord I just picked up. My YouTube channel here has been growing pretty quickly, so I bought a car I just want to dedicate to fixing up for the channel. What we got here is I bought a 2008 Honda Accord, just a basic four-door sedan. These are readily available and for good prices these days. So I figured I'd make a video of some unusual four-door car sedan that I'm going to fix up for everybody. Just watch. So far, it's March 27th here in Cincinnati, and it's been snowing yesterday and it's been snowing this morning. With that being said, I decided to take on a project of tinting my windows. I bought a pre-cut window tint kit off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. And I also bought just some basic tools to do the installation with, and I think it turned out pretty good. It's a little darker than I was anticipating, but it'll be fine for me because it kind of hits the pillars back in the windows as much. So it turned out pretty decent. It took me about 2 hours to do, and I'm not a professional by any means. It's nice having the window tint already pre-cut when it's shipped to you, so all you gotta do is just install it. It's hard to mess that up. Other things I've done is so far I put a tinted license plate cover, just kind of go with the window tint. Also some LED license plate bulbs. I don't know if you can see them here on the camera or not, but at nighttime they are extremely bright. I do need to clean the car up really well. It's pretty dirty. I've also replaced the wheels and tires. It had the 2008 just factory 17-inch alloy wheels. I found these are off of a 2014 Honda Accord Sport. They are 18-inch, had brand new tires. I was able to pick them up for $325 off of Facebook Marketplace here locally. What else have I done? Oh, I also did LED reverse lights. Very simple, a cheap little thing to make the car look a little bit newer. I've also done LED headlight bulbs, bright lights, that kind of thing. So, with intentions of buying this car, I want to mainly just work on the appearance of the vehicle. Being a four-cylinder, it's the K24 four-cylinder. It's not going to be a fast car by any means, just more or less I can make it look a little bit nicer. So starting with the front of the vehicle here, I think I'm going to order a front lip for it. I don't know if you guys have any recommendations or any brands that you like, but I think I definitely want to add a front lip to it. I'd like to do fog lights in the front bumper there. The grille here up top, where it's like chrome with like the black insert, I think I'm going to take the black insert to a painter and actually have a color matched white just to give it a little bit different look. Come the headlights, excuse me, I want to replace the entire housings. So they make like LED ones that are between like $250 to $500, and they also make just like another housing. It looks factory. It's like a black housing, but where the amber plastic lenses are, they're just clear plastic lenses. So I'm not sure which route I want to go there. If you guys want to recommend, what headlight housings that you would use or what you have in your own personal Honda Accord, I'd appreciate it. I do want to replace, at least do like the brake pads and the rotors, do like an upgrade, maybe like a slotted or cross-drilled rotor, maybe like a high performance, like a ceramic brake pad. I do want to buy some coilovers for it, just to give it like a little bit lower look, nothing crazy, maybe like an inch and a half lower. And if you have a brand of coilovers you'd recommend or brand that you don't recommend, just leave a comment below. Wheels and tires, I think I'm going to go the used route, maybe a set of 19-inch or 20-inch wheels and tires, something that just looks classy and clean. I'm not going to go for some crazy offset, just a normal look that is not going to rub or anything like that. I'll probably pick up a fender roller just in case, but I don't think I'm going to need that. But you never know. On the inside, I think I'd like to buy, so they make like a Amazon, or yeah, they sell like an Android 9-inch like touchscreen that goes up top here, and then it will replace your climate control down till like down here, we're down lower. So everything will still maintain and look exactly the same, other than up top here it'll be a 9-inch touchscreen and Android with like Bluetooth and USB cables and GPS, and I'll do a backup camera. The seats do have a few little rips, like there's a rip there. The side bolster, hope you can see it, has a rip there. I'm gonna contact these local companies that do like mobile seat repair, and I'll get that repaired, and I'll show you what it looks like before and after. I'm trying to think what else have I done. Oh, I bought the i-vtec floor liners, and I absolutely love them. Especially we've had snow recently, and obviously you don't want to get your carpets all wet and stay wet for days. Trying to think what else have I done. I bought the i-vtec trunk mat as well. Oh, and I also picked up some wiper blades and washer fluid, just basic normal stuff. I don't think that I'm going to do an exhaust. Like I said, it's just the 4-cylinder model. I mean, if anything, it's just going to add a little different tone to the vehicle, but nothing performance-wise, really. So that'll be the last thing I would decide to do, would be an exhaust. If you have any other ideas of like stuff that I should do to the car, feel free to leave a comment below, and leave a link of a product that you like or like to see on the vehicle. But just wanted to make an introduction and kind of show you what we got here. I have a few other cars as well that I'm doing slight things to here and there, and I've fixed up a lot of vehicles in my time. I've had about 10 Acura TLs. I'll put some pictures of them. And I've had S2000, I've had the Acura NSX, and each one of these cars I've done a lot too. I've had Integra Type Rs, even had right-hand drive Integra. Some of them have been magazines and stuff, but I just want to do something basic and simple, but yet make it look classy and clean. So hopefully you guys like this, and like I said, if you have any ideas, just leave a comment below. I'm open to anything. Only other thing, when I do the stereo, I'll probably just do like a single, like 12-inch sub and an amplifier as well, just to make it sound a little bit nicer. But all in all, it's a pretty decent car. I think I did all right. It's got 178,000 miles on it. The only reason I went with this one with 178,000 miles, especially this time, the price of cars being so high. The previous owner had owned it for like 10 years. Oil consumption where the car would burn oil, and Honda rebuilt the entire motor for free, and he gave me the receipts for everything. They replaced the pistons, the rings, the head gasket, like spark plugs, all kinds of gaskets and seals and stuff. So I feel pretty confident these K-Series motors normally last 200,000-300,000 miles no problem, so hopefully this one still has a lot of life left in it, being that it's rebuilt already from Honda. But we'll keep you updated with mileage on the vehicle. So right now it's got 178, almost 179,000 miles on it. Under the hood, I'll just do basic like maintenance, like oil changes. I'll probably do a coolant flush. I'll do a transmission fluid flush. I'll make videos just showing you guys how easy and simple it is to do at home. But other than that, this is where I'm starting with. And if you want, I'm going to try to do this on a budget. So I was able to buy the car for $4,000, and really don't want to spend more than $2,000 on it total, so maybe have a $6,000 car when I'm done. But we'll see if I can stick to budget and make something that looks pretty decent. Stay tuned, and I'll keep you updated with the parts that I buy. Thanks for watching, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe to watch my further videos.